This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Terry May. Less than 1 year old. Quality built and beautifully finished 4-bedroom/2-bath home with bonus room. Lots of storage space and large workshop with inside and outside access. Located on private lot with adjacent lots also available. Enjoy the awesome views of Lake Hamilton and Mount Riante from your back deck, or feed the deer that frequent the property. Features include bamboo and tile floors, high-end appliances, fixtures, and cabinets. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry May at 501-525-1466.